Did you know there are sneezes that can erase whole chunks of reality? This is the story of the woman who found out the hard way. It started subtly. A friend forgot her anniversary. Another couldn't recall where she parked her car. Then, at a crowded cafe, she sneezed, a deep, shuddering blast that echoed through the room. Suddenly, the barista forgot how to make coffee. The table next to her forgot their own names. Now she wears a mask everywhere, terrified of what she might unremember next. And every time she feels that tickle in her nose, she knows something will never be the same.